Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover last topic of this chapter, topic number 1.5 properties of division of integers. In this lecture we will cover 6 properties for division of integers, that is closure property, commutative property, division by 0, division by 1, division by -1 and associative property. To prove any property wrong, we have to give at least one counter example or we can say example that does not satisfy that property. So let us start with first property, that is closure under division. If we take an example, that is 4 divided by 2, that is equals to 2, which is an integer, but if we take 2 divided by 4, that is equals to 1 divided by 2, which is not an integer. So we can say that integers are not closed under division. We can take one more example, that is -6 divided by 3, that is equals to -2, which is an integer, but if we take 3 divided by -6, that is equals to -1 divided by 2, which is not an integer. So we can say that integers are not closed under division. Now let's see next property, that is commutative property, that is does A divided by B equals to B divided by A or not. So for this let us take one example, that is -4 divided by 2 equals to 2 divided by -4. So if we see this, that is LHS -4 divided by 2, that is equals to -2, but if we take right hand side, that is 2 divided by -4, that is equals to -1 divided by 2. So we got LHS not equals to RHS. Hence integers are not commutative for division. We can say that commutative property is not satisfied for division. Now let's see next property, that is division by 0. If we take any integer a, that is a can be 1 of 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on, then a divided by 0 is undefined. But if we do 0 divided by a, that is equals to 0 for a not equals to 0. Now division by 1 for any integer a where a belongs to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. Division by 1, that is a divided by 1 equals to a. If we take one example, that is a equals to minus 7, then a divided by 1, that is equals to minus 7 divided by 1, that is equals to minus 7. Now let's see next property, division by minus 1. For any integer a, that is a belongs to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on, a divided by minus 1, that is equals to minus a. We can say that division by minus 1 is not a, or we can say it is negation of a. If we take one example, that is for a equals to minus 9, we get a divided by minus 1, that is equals to minus 9 divided by minus 1 equals to 9, which is negation of 9. If we take a equals to 11, then a divided by minus 1, that is equals to 11 divided by minus 1, that is equals to minus 11, which is a negation of 11. Now let us see next property, associative property, that is a divided by b divided by c, a divided by b divided by c for integers a comma b comma c. Let us check does the property holds for division or not. For a equals to 8, b equals to 4, c equals to 2, a divided by b divided by c, that is equals to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2, that is equals to 8 divided by 4 is 2 divided by 2, that is equals to 1. If we check the right hand side, that is a divided by b divided by c, that is equals to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2, that is equals to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 8 divided by 2, that is equals to 4. We don't have left hand side equals to right hand side, so we need at least one example to prove that integers are not associative. We can say not true for integers. We can take the same example for negative integers, that is let us take b equals to minus 4. You will get b equals to minus 4. So 8 divided by minus 4, that is equals to minus 2, and minus 2 divided by 2, that is equals to minus 1. And if we check for right hand side, we get minus 4 divided by 2, that is equals to minus 2. We get minus 2 here, and 8 divided by minus 2, that is equals to minus 4. Still we have LHS not equals to RHS, hence division are not associative for integers. We have seen all the 6 property, that is division for integer is not closure under a division, commutative property is also not satisfied, then division by 0, that is a divided by 0 is undefined, then division by 1, that is a divided by 1, that is equals to a, division by minus 1, that is a divided by minus 1, we get minus a, and associative property is also not satisfied. Now let us see the theory part. I have discussed all the points in sequence. That is first point, that they have taken minus 8 divided by minus 4, that is equals to 2, and minus 4 divided by minus 8, that is equals to minus, that is equals to 1 divided by 2. Hence we can say that integers are not closed under division. Now second property, that is division is not commutative for whole numbers, and let us check for integers, that is 9 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 9, that is minus 9 divided by 3, that is equals to minus 3, and 3 divided by minus 9, that is minus 1 by 3. These both are not same, hence we can say that division is not commutative for integers. Now next property, that is division by 0. Whole number, the division by 0 is meaningless, and for integers, for any integer, a divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by a equals to 0. We have a divided by 0 is not defined, and 0 divided by a is 0 for a not equals to 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. It will give undefined as answer. Now next property, division by 1. We get the same number back when we divide the number by 1. That is minus 11 back, minus 13 back, we will get minus 37 back, minus 48, and minus 25. Now next property, that is division by minus 1. We will get the negation of integer, or we can say that we will not get the same integer back, that is minus 8, we will not get minus 8 back, but we will get 8, that is negation of minus 8. We will not get 11 back, we will get minus 11, which is negation of 11. We will not get 13 back, we will get minus 13, which is negation of 13. And similarly for all. And sixth property, that is associative property. Division is also not associative for integers. Let us solve this. Try this. Is 1 divided by a equals to 1? We can say no. 1 divided by a not equals to 1. And a divided by minus 1 equals to minus a, that is yes. A divided by minus 1, we get plus a, and minus 1 plus into minus is minus, and a divided by 1 is a, so we get minus a as answer for any integer a. In next lecture, we will solve example number 2, example number 3, and exercise 1.3. Thank you.